Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pause OkCupid profile. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the OkCupid app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, you'll see this kind of interface. Now, in order to pause your OkCupid profile, you need to go to your profile settings. Here you can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Now you can see the settings option over here. Tap on it. Once you're in the settings page, here you can see the delete or pause account option. Tap on it. Tap on next. Here it will ask you the reason why you are trying to pause or delete your account. So you can give any reasons over here. You can answer to these questions accordingly. And after that, it will prompt you to this page. In this page, you can decide whether you want to disable or delete your account. So in order to just pause your OkCupid profile, you can choose this disable my account option. By selecting this disable my account option, you can sign back in anytime to reactivate it. So your profile will just temporarily be paused. You can select the disable my account option and tap on this disable button at the bottom. And that's it. That's how you can easily pause your OkCupid profile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.